Oh yeah. What's up? We back. I ain't seen y'all in a little bit. We back. Mama, that man back. Mama, he back. He back, mama. Tune on in, baby. Tune on in. Today, well, let me take y'all back a little bit. I was texting with my sister, my younger sister, and she got to talking about, chickpeas. And I was like, oh, garbanzo beans. You want to know about garbanzo beans? Well, they make good hummus. And I just so happened to have me a can. Yeah, that's what we doing today, y'all. That's what we doing. We about to make some onions cry. About to make, do I want 3 rings or do I want 2? Let's do 3. We're about to make 3 rings of onion cry. Onion. It's my onion. Those my 3 rings of onion. We'll set them off to the side. And we have cucumber. 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 Give me that. Give me all that. Give me that. Last night I had Hispanic because I don't like to say Mexican. So last night I had some Hispanic food and the salsa was kind of spicy. So I was like, I'm just gonna use it to make some hummus. We taking our 3 rings of onion, and I think these are like, how many slices? Well, we're just gonna take our 8 slices. We're gonna take our 8 slices of cucumber. And I already had the meat sizzling over here. I already had it cooking. It's already been rendered. I'm just gonna turn it back up. Turn it up. Turn it up. I'm gonna wake it up with a little lemon juice. Gonna get those caramelized in there. We also gonna put our cucumber. Also gonna put our cucumber in there. All right. Let's get in on the action. Ooh, look at that. I know how to do it, y'all. You're messing with the truth whenever you step in my booth. And in just a little time, everything has been brown and caramelized. Smells good. But of course it smells good because of that meat fat I store up. Y'all, man, get y'all a tub of meat fat, man. Get y'all a thing of meat fat. Whenever you make some meat, just, pour it out that skillet into a container that it won't burn through. Set it off to the side and reuse it. It's the only thing I can say is better than butter. But depending on what you cook. On there, CHOCOLATE, that's chocolate, SOLUTION, the chocolate solution. Alright, I am a chocolate solution to all of your vanilla problems, baby. Do not play. Also, because I have been going crazy, I have more room in my phone to make these videos. All right, so this is a sprig of sage. Just gonna cut it in half. Cut it in half. All right. Just using that up whenever necessary, whenever I can. Here go what we're gonna do. I got my can of chickpeas right here. But here's what we're gonna do. Here's how we're gonna do this. Okay. I got my salsa, my little container of salsa. And this stuff is so spicy. This stuff is spicy, boy. This is spicy. So I got that right there. I'm only gonna use about that much. Okay. Next, for the health-minded people that's been keeping up with me, powdered collagen. We're gonna do 1 full scoop of that. Love this stuff. It's so necessary. So necessary. Have you feeling good? It's like it's like I can digest food better whenever I, have collagen, powdered collagen in it. Also, one of my favorite things to use in food, sun-dried tomato. Take a sprig of sage. And we're going to take our onion. Take our onion and our cucumber and apply that in there as well. And I do suppose that we can fit a little bit of these chickpeas in here. Just a little bit. We'll do the rest, because the rest gonna get seasoned. Okay, y'all. That was nicely layered. I should have showed it to you before I shook it up. But then you absolutely want to shake it up, though. Shake it up. Shake it up. It's looking like that. If it's looking like that, you're on the right track. All right. My magic bullet right here. Turn it around for you. And here we go. Y'all ready? Apparently it wasn't ready. Let's try this again. Okay. So whenever it does that, you just gotta hit it with a little water. Hit it with a little water. See, it's not grinding. So just hit it with a little water. And I do mean a little, not a lot. Little water, just a little bit. Not a lot. That's why I chop fine so everything can go and grind up. Yep. Woo. You want a fine grind on it too. You want it to grind up good, 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 good. You want a fine grind. And for those of you that's using dietary supplements in your food like I do, the powdered collagen, you really want to make sure that it blends Because that's what I was doing. I was standing here making sure that the collagen blended up good. And here we go. See that? Nice little paste right there. And that's what you want, a paste. Okay, didn't mean to do that. Glad it's clean. You want it to come out looking like a paste. That's what you want. That's the consistency of hummus. Right here. All right. So let's get more of our chickpeas. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get all of it in here, but let's get more in there. I was able to get all of it. Wait, just about all. It's not all of it, but the last little bit we're going to season, and there's not a whole lot left. So we're gonna season the last of it. Step over here, get a little bit of water. Don't care how tight it sits off in there, as long as it seals. That's all we want. Okay, get y'all back over here. All right, here we go. All right, I'm trying to burn it out here. Ooh, that's super pasty. Look at that. That's almost like chunky peanut butter. And that's what you want. That's what you want. This is hummus. This is the consistency that you're looking for. We're on the right track. We're on the right track. Black man making hummus, man. It's young black man at that. Let's get it. Well, I don't know how young I am anymore. Certainly if I died tomorrow, people will say, he died so young. So I got my water in here. Okay, got the remainder of the chickpeas. Chickpeas off in there. Garbanzo beans. It's one that don't want to cook. It's always one. It's always one. It's always one. All right. Get the can out the way. All right. We are using 6 seasonings here. Okay. Crush red pepper. Get that off in there. Granulated white onion seasoning, powder. It's more of a powder than a seasoning. I didn't go too heavy with the red crushed pepper because that seasoning, that salsa was hot, spicy. Okay, garlic salt with parsley. Garlic salt with parsley. White pepper, be careful with this. Too much of it. Whew, too much of it had you sneezing from here to downtown. Oregano. Kind of go heavy with the oregano. And one of my favorites, Mediterranean herb seasoning. Mediterranean herb, baby. Okay. Last little bit. Get you over here. Get you centered up. Y'all ready? Here we go. Let me make one adjustment, because I don't like my hummus super thick, so I'm gonna add more water to this. Hummus is the kind of hummus I like is kind of soft. Okay. I'm pretty sure there's some red pepper flake. Right, so we're gonna add this. Ooh. See how soupy that is and runny? Y'all see how thick this is? It's gonna balance each other out. It's gonna balance. It's gonna balance our little batch of hummus right here. Just stir. All you gotta do is stir. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at it. Ooh. Of course we gotta try it. Of course we gotta try it. Oh, piece of my chip fell off in there. Ooh. Thomas, here go the hummus. Ooh. Woo! I'm a bad man. I'm the